Welcome everyone to Travel Hopper Check. Today's video starts off in a setting of downtown Las Vegas on Fremont Street. El Cortez, which originally was bought in 1963 by Jackie Gaughan. And today's video is a deeper look into a beautiful penthouse suite that he built in 1980. Started such an amazing venture. Secrets to what started Las Vegas. He owned a third of downtown Las Vegas casinos, which is pretty amazing to see this beautiful suite that he built and lived in for almost 30 years. Let's take a deeper look and take a beautiful tour of this amazing piece of history preserved at El Cortez Casino. Something that started so small as just a bar in Las Vegas that began into a bingo hall and convention centers and casinos started to just pop up. Jackie Gaughan bought El Cortez in 1963 and built on to start this amazing venture in owning casinos in downtown Las Vegas. The current to-date owner of beautiful El Cortez is Kenny Epstein. He has taken in this casino and made it more current. He's kept the amazing nostalgia of El Cortez, but he is doing a $20 million expansion into the amazing location on Fremont Street. There will soon be another high-limit room. I believe that the Starbucks is currently already open and more restaurants to come. Many famous people and musicians have made music videos at this nostalgic casino, including Ellie Goulding and Sum 21. And here we are at Tower 2. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Slot Hopper Travels. Come on in. Today's episode we are visiting an amazing place in Las Vegas and Tower 2 in El Cortez. This is the Jackie Suite. It was built in 1980 by Mr. Jackie himself. Him and his wife purchased El Cortez in 1963, and then they added on Tower 2 with 15 stories of hotel space, and they built this suite all for themselves, which they lived here for over 30 years. Let's check out this amazing time capsule. Still all original, beautiful architecture. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm super excited. Hit that like and subscribe. I have more amazing Las Vegas adventures to share with you, all exclusive, never seen before content. So hit that like right now, subscribe to my channel, and go check out Slot Hopper also. All right, you got to see those casinos too. All right, so let's start out here is the formal living room and into where they sat at their dining table, all marble. Everything is all original. The chandelier, the fixtures, the curtains, everything is like it's never been touched. It's absolutely amazing. This is the kitchen. Pretty simple kitchen. Blue tile. So this was built in 1980 here. So everything is really well preserved and taken care of. We lived in for 30 years. Frigidaire. Very cool. Look at all those. Very nice. I can't imagine the meetings and the amazing historical plans and casino adventures that they had in this penthouse suite. All right, well, my favorite room is way across. This is 2,700 square foot. It is massive. They have a beautiful bar. Another balcony where you can walk out and look at Las Vegas. I can see Westgate from here. All of Las Vegas, of course. So many new casinos here now that weren't there 30 years ago. Mr. Jackie himself owned over a third of downtown Las Vegas. Amazing, amazing history. I will put more in the description if you want to read about the history of El Cortez and the new owner. And shout out to El Cortez today for letting me record this amazing piece of history. Let's keep looking. A bar. It's very nice. Here's a picture of Mr. Jackie himself. He did pass away, but he left some amazing history behind. All right, let's follow this hall down, and it's pretty cool to see the safety features they had in every room. Those amazing telephones that you could see who was on the other side. Tons and tons of closet space. I mean, they lived here for 30 years. So, well taken care of. Beautiful. Another closet. All right, this must have been his, well, I think it was a guest room, but it could have also been for Mr. Jackie because it has a full bathroom and walk-in closet, another balcony view, Las Vegas and El Cortez. El Cortez is the longest standing casino in Las Vegas. All marble. It's beautiful. And the shower. It's like a jade marble tone. Very nice. Super cool. Lots and lots of closet space. All original paint, wallpaper, everything. Giant closet. All right, now follow me into this really, really cool sitting room. And this couch is to die for. How beautiful is this? I bet they had some amazing conversation, cocktails, who knows what went on in this room, right? But they used it for their private personal space, so it was probably a nice place to escape after a long day of running a casino house. This is the master bedroom. I'm sure it's changed a little. The smells, though, is, I can smell like the wallpaper and stuff. It's like, it is definitely preserved perfectly. All right, you have to see some amazing, look at the size of this closet. There's Mr. Jackie. He was greatly loved. This is a really cool feature. A shoe closet. Very nice. El Cortez. All right, beautiful bidet. This is some thick, thick marble. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. All original. Very nice. All the sinks match. Long neck goose, the swan. And this to die bath. It is to die for. I think I could just sit in here all day and look out that amazing window over there. It is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited to be in this building. I love chasing the history in Las Vegas because it started so small and became so big to what it is today. Be sure and hit that subscribe and like because we are going to chase those history things and all the exciting, cool features Las Vegas has to offer. If you want to come visit here yourself, be sure and check out the link in the description. I will leave it for you if you want to come visit El Cortez and the Jackie Suite Penthouse. So, let me hop out of this very delicately. All right. Another shower. Oh, wow, look at that. That is beautiful. I didn't even really notice it till now. It's etched in the glass. Very cool. Tons and tons of closet space. Oh, there's Hopper's swag. And a nice powder room. She could sit and do her makeup. Very cool. All original curtains, light fixtures, everything to a T. Even down here, it's a little refrigerator. Still works. Looks a little frozen. And in here, I found a really neat piece of history. I think they left on purpose. I'm sure they did. But it's a bride's gift book. So I guess Mrs. Jackie. Look at all that. A silver water pitcher, waffle iron, blue and white quilt, another waffle iron, picture frame, metal candy dish, silver tray, silver salt and pepper shaker. Very cool. Amazing history here. Put that back. Very cool chair. All velvet. Plum velvet chair. Super groovy. They had an intercom system. All right, let's walk back in here. They also had double safety features with 2 sets of doors. So they had their main entrance there, and they could security check, alarm system. And then they could also lock these interior doors here. So they had 2 sets of doors to keep them safe, which I'm sure they had to do back in the mob days. I can't imagine how insane business was. And to finish out at our beautiful bar here, all we need is a glass of champagne to toast to this beautiful piece of history. Shout out to El Cortez for letting me record this amazing, beautiful room here today. You guys don't forget to subscribe to Slot Hopper Travels. And this is just a piece of the beginning of an amazing adventure I'm going to have with you guys. So hit that subscribe. Let's continue our search for some amazing history in Las Vegas and some epic food, all kinds of travel, hot summer locations. Hit that subscribe. Check out my link in the description if you want to see about reserving this room for yourself. And thank you guys for watching. Let's go see what other trouble we can get into. Hey everyone, what I love about El Cortez is that I go downstairs after a long night and go to Siegel's and I order breakfast to go. This is their croissant sandwich, egg, sausage, cheddar cheese on a beautiful croissant and some hash browns to go. And my favorite place to dine is Siegel's, 1941. Such a cool restaurant. They even have an original malto soup on the menu, but my personal choice is definitely the prime rib. It is absolutely spectacular. There is a piano bar located right across with some amazing artists that sing, some great piano players, and such a neat, nostalgic place you can visit in Las Vegas. Definitely top favorite for me. creamy potatoes. Yum. Outside of El Cortez is Fremont Street, which you can find amazing places to dine. There's nightclubs, there's bars, there's other casinos down Fremont Street. There is so much absolutely to see, take pictures. It could be an amazing Las Vegas destination to go check out, record, take pictures, enjoy the atmosphere, the original piece of history that started Las Vegas. Thank you all again for joining me today on this adventure into downtown Las Vegas on Fremont Street, El Cortez, how it all began. One of my favorite places to visit, stay, and play the slots. Stay tuned for the next adventure on Travel Hopper Chick. Hit that like, subscribe. It is free to watch my content. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram at Slot Hopper Chick. Thank you guys and have a beautiful rest of your day.